Did you know that you can process images with your Olympus camera? Hi, I'm Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get noticed so you won't miss any Using Olympus or any other videos on my channel. My channel is all about helping you becoming a better photographer. Every digital photo has to be retouched a little. Usually adding more contrast and saturation makes the photo stand out a bit more. But not all of us want to spend a lot of time on the computers and retouch all the time. We want to be making images. Of course, mobile phones can also be used for retouching. But there is a third way, using your Olympus camera for retouching. And let me show you how. Today's example is a RAW file. I will be covering JPEG retouching on tomorrow's video. After you have taken some pictures, press the playback button and toggle to the picture you want to retouch. When you have chosen the image, then press OK button. Choose Raw Data Edit from the pop-up menu you see after pressing the OK button. Then you will get a few more options. Current is the basic settings that the camera has at the moment. Custom 1 and Custom 2 can be set to your likings. There are a lot of options to use. I will show them with this raw image. Choose Custom 1 and press the right button on the arrow pad. You will see all the options to retouch your raw images. You can choose the resolution of the image, picture mode, white balance, exposure compensation. You can adjust the highlights, midtones and shadows, image aspect ratio, apply noise filter, assign a color profile, and what's very interesting, the keystone compensation. There is actually a whole video about keystone compensation in my channel. On art, BKT options is possible to use the art filters. I personally do not care about the art filters, but in some cases they might be a lot of fun. The amount and kinds of art filters may vary depending on the Olympus you have. Choose the ones that you want to apply to your image. All the art filters that have the green checkbox will be applied. So you will get as many images as you have check marks. It's a nice way to see what the different art filters look like. When you are ready with the retouching, press OK and the camera will process your image and store them as JPEGs on your memory card. I think this is a very handy feature. On tomorrow's video I will cover how to retouch JPEG images in camera. Even though the image processing works pretty much the same way in every Olympus, there are some minor differences in features. There is a link in the description of this video to a blog post where these differences are mentioned. I had a EM5 Mark II as an example. Thanks for watching and bye for now.